Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to delete YouTube channel. So first of all you have to open up any web browser. I will be opening my Google Chrome. On your Google application you simply have to search for studio.youtube.com. Once you search it you have to click on its official website. Once you click on the website you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you have to zoom in to the bottom left corner of your screen and you will see an settings icon. So click on that. On your settings, you have to click on channel. In channel, first of all, select advanced settings. Now scroll down towards the end until you see the remove YouTube content options. Once you click on that, you will be asked to enter your password for your email. So you simply have to enter that. Once you enter your password, you have to click on I want to permanently delete my content. Now you have to check mark both of these options as they include all of that data that will be deleted along with your channel. Once you are done going through them, you have to click on delete my content. Once you click on delete my content, your YouTube channel will be deleted from existence. So that's how you can delete a YouTube channel.